Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to cosx dx. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u to the power of 2. Cosx dx we change for du. Next, about number 3 in here, we can put into 2 plus 1. About this one in here, this is about identity, so I will put about 1 plus u to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 1 plus u equals to the square root of number 2 tan t, because if we put this one go in here, you will go about 2 tan t square. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square. After doing factorization, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So this one in here, we change for this one. Du we change for this one, and this one you will got about 2 tan t square. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t square. We simplify this one on numerator and denominator. The integration of this one you got about the square root of number 2t over 2. About t in here, we need to return back in here. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we got about t equals to r tan of this one. About u, that's about sin x. So we put this one go in here, and you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.